Prakash Automobiles distributes its goods to a regional dealer using a single lorry. Okay, that means he has only one vehicle. The dealer premises are 40 kilometers away by road. Next, the lorry has a capacity of 10 tons and makes journey twice a day, fully loaded on outward journey and empty on the return journey. Okay, fine. Okay, so while going, that is outward journey, it is fully loaded. That means 100% capacity. And while coming back, it is empty. Okay, so try to understand what I'm doing. Okay, so say you're going from point A. Okay, you're going, bacha, from point A, you're going to point B. So this is called as your outward trip. Okay, and then when you're coming back from B to A, this is called as your return trip. Okay, so when you're going outward trip, they are saying it is fully loaded, matlab 100% capacity. Okay, it's 100% capacity, and when it is returning back, it is empty. Clear? Okay, yeah. Anyone has a doubt with respect to this? Then the following estimates is available for 4 weekly period during the year 2012. Okay, now tell me, what type of cost sheet is this? Yearly or monthly? Acknowledge it in the chat box. See the question and tell me whether this cost sheet is is a monthly cost sheet or is a yearly cost sheet. Okay. Okay, chalo, good. So that's very nice. Now you guys are able to identify the difference between monthly and week and yearly. Fine, good. Okay. Remember this. Huh? Later I will ask you how many days in a month. Fine. Chalo. Next come to petrol consumption. Petrol consumption is how much? 8 kilometers per liter. Petrol cost is given. Fine. So this information is going to help me to calculate my variable cost. So here petrol is a variable cost. Oil, obviously variable cost. And see the figures are in weeks. 100 per week. Yeah. Driver's wages, variable cost. Repairs, variable cost. Garage rent, obviously fixed cost. Okay, cost of lorry excluding tires 4,50,000, estimated scrap value rupees 50,000. Okay, life of the lorry 80,000 kilometers. Okay, why is this information given? What will I do with this information? Acknowledge it in the chat box. This cost of lorry and life of lorry. What will this information help me to calculate? Okay, yeah, very good students. Yeah, depreciation. And what is depreciation in this sum? Which type of cost is your depreciation is which type of cost in this sum? Okay, Pratik, why did you say it is fixed, dear? It's not fixed. See the sum carefully. Life of the lorry is in kilometers. 80,000 kilometers. Yeah, that's right. Others are right. It's a variable cost. Okay, fine. हाँ. Please depreciation में आप लोग confuse मत होइए. Okay, this is the 12th or the 5th year, I guess the 11th or the 12th sum we are doing. You guys are still confused in depreciation. I just said in the earlier sum, if depreciation life of the asset is given in kilometers run, then only it is a variable cost. Otherwise, it is a fixed cost. Okay, ठीक है, fine. So ये information से मुझे मिलेगा depreciation. This information will help me to calculate depreciation, and in this question depreciation is a variable cost. Okay, ठीक है. Next क्या है? Insurance 6,000 per annum. Insurance is a fixed cost as per CAS 5. Cost of tires and life of tires. Now what? Now this information will help me to calculate what cost of tires, cost of and life of the tire. Yeah. Cost of tire and life of tire will help me to calculate what? Hmm. Okay. Depreciation of the tire. Okay, that's good. And again, which cost? Depreciation is which cost in this sum? Is it a fixed or a variable cost? Hmm. Okay, fine. It's a variable cost. Now Pratik give the right answer. Great. Okay. So everyone, is it clear ना? Kilometers run में अगर आपका depreciation हुआ, सिर्फ depreciation ही क्यों? Any cost and transport cost sheet in CAS 5, if it is dependent on number of kilometers, it has to be a variable cost. Okay. Yeah. License cost. License is which cost, dear? License. Fixed. Okay, good. Fixed cost. Okay. What about other overheads? कहाँ लो इसको? Other overheads. This type of expense we had discussed earlier in two sums also. Where will you take other overheads? Other overheads. Anyone? Where will you take other overheads? Okay, fixed. Yeah. Yeah. You have to take it under fixed cost. Other overheads means other fixed overheads. Okay. बट अगर ये अदर ओवरहेड्स किलोमीटर लाइन पे डिपेंड करता है तो आप इसको वेरिएबल ले सकते, ऑब्वियसली फिर वेरिएबल लेना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है, क्लियर? ओके, नाउ you start giving your attendance in the chat box, students. We have last 6 minutes. Nishant is saying roll number 8104 and 8105 got disconnected from the meeting due to network issues. Okay, fine, dear. No issue, no problem. Their attendance will be considered. Okay. Kaniksha, dear, just note this down. Huh? 8104 and 8105. Okay. And we will check it in the, what you called, participant screenshot. Okay. Okay. Now my question to you all is, the lorry operates 5 days a week. Okay, 5 days a week. और आगे देखो क्या बोला है. Required is what? Prepare a cost sheet of 4 weeks. Okay, you have to prepare an operating cost sheet of 4 weeks. So what answers you guys gave earlier, ki this is a monthly cost sheet, is absolutely right. Okay, 4 weeks matlab 4 weeks is equal to 1 month, correct na? So that answer what you guys have given is absolutely right. So 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. So it's a monthly cost sheet. Okay. Right. My question is, days in a month kitna hoga? How much is days in a month? We will be using the formula na, running kilometers ka. So in running kilometers there is one element called as days in a month. So how many days in a month? Okay, fine. That's good. Shubham, Pratik, Priyanka, Prathvi said it is 20 days. How come 20, beta? I want the calculation also. Show me the calculation. Prathvi said it's 28. No, dear. 20 is the right answer. But how 20? 20 is the right answer. But how 20? Okay, Pratik, that's right. 4 into 5. Okay. In a month, how many weeks are there? In a month, there are 4 weeks. Okay. And what is the question saying? 5 days a week. लॉरी पूरे 7 दिन नहीं चल रही है, लॉरी सिर्फ 5 दिन चल रही है पूरे हफ्ते में. ठीक है, तो 5 4s are it is 20 days. Clear? Okay. So I guess this type of sum we are doing for the first time, where actually we generally जितने भी sum किए हैं अभी तक सब में क्या रहता है operating cost sheet में, average we assume 30 monthly रहेगा तो we assume 30 days in a month, unless and until the question is saying कि it is 25 days in a month or 24 days in a month or 26 days in a month, like this. Okay, otherwise if it is monthly, on an average we go with 30 days a month. Okay, fine. So it's a monthly cost sheet, but the figures are in weeks, so I hope you all know when we will calculate the cost हम क्या करेंगे उसको into 4 करेंगे, 4 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. Okay, calculate the cost per kilometer and cost per ton kilometer also. Okay, so in this sum you have to calculate both the cost units. See, कॉस्ट पर किलोमीटर भी कैलकुलेट करने को बोला है, कॉस्ट पर टन किलोमीटर्स भी कैलकुलेट करने को बोला है. ओके, बोथ द कॉस्ट यूनिट्स यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. ओके, okay, yeah, Shubham, yeah, your calculations are right. Okay, right. So जैसे I'll tell you this oil वाला concept. Okay, this oil 100 rupees per week. So how will you calculate 100 into 4? बराबर ना? Then this drivers wala 400 per week, so 400 into 4. Then this repairs 100 per week, so 100 into 4. Garage rent also 150 per week, so 150 into 4. Am I clear about this? Okay. Or दूसरा I want to ask you all, we still have a minute, students. Yeah, insurance, how will you calculate this? It is 6,500 per annum. Okay, in the chat box tell me how will you calculate this. Show me the calculation. Insurance 6,500 per annum. What will be the calculation? Anyone? Okay, 6,500 into 20 divided by 365. Okay, anyone, any other calculation base? Okay, Pratik, just simplify it better. In a year, how many weeks are there? 52. So 6,500 divided by 52. Okay. Yeah. So next lecture, I'm going to solve this question. Okay. I have discussed it. Next lecture, we are going to solve it. Fine. And earlier sum ka answer also we will. Formula of running kilometers, number of vehicle, number of trips, number of ways into kilometers run into days in a month. ठीक है, separately calculate करो and then add it. That will be better. Okay. Yeah. So number of vehicle is 1 and outward and return trip hai. Number of trips. Okay. Why have I taken 2? I'll tell you the reason. In the beginning of the question, what did I tell you? What is the highlight? Yeah, see, I've circled it. Okay, so what was said in the beginning of the question, that in a day they are making 2 times journey. Okay, in a day the journey is completed 2 times. Fine, that means it is total 4 times. 2 + 2, 2 बार वो आउटवर्ड ट्रिप मारेगा और 2 बार वो रिटर्न भी आएगा, तो 2 + 2 is 4. Okay, so that is why this part is 2, this one. Okay, yeah, twice a day, so this is 2. Okay, so 240 is 80, 80 into 20, that makes it to 1600. Both outward and return trip, same running kilometers, 1600 and 1600 makes it 3200. Then I'll tell you next. Total is 3200. There's lag because of the internet, I guess it rains. Hundred kilometers. Is the screen share visible here? What I'm writing on the screen, is it visible? Okay, great. So on this 3200, your kilometers will be calculated. Okay. The variable cost will be calculated on this 3200. Clear? Next, calculation of ton kilometers. So running kilometers into tons carried into percentage capacity. So as I told you earlier, outward trip mein it is fully loaded. That means 100% capacity. And while returning it is empty. So obviously 0. है ना? 1600 into 10 into 0, answer will be 0 only. So my answer is 16,000 ton kilometers. Is it clear till here? Okay. Acknowledge it in the chat box. Till here, everything is clear. Calculation of running kilometers and ton kilometers. Okay. Now voice is clear. Now am I audible enough? Okay, fine. चलो ठीक है. Done. Fix this problem. Okay. Now students, working notes I'll do, and then final answer you guys will calculate. And obviously I'll discuss it also. ऐसा नहीं I will not discuss answer with you all. I will discuss. Okay. Come to calculation of petrol. Okay. Just check out with this working note. 1 liter, the vehicle is running up to 8 kilometers. And for 1 liter, we are paying how much? 13 rupees. So for 3,200 running kilometer. How much? Okay, I told you earlier, your running kilometers will be calculated on 3,200. Okay, yeah. गाड़ी अगर खाली जाएगी तो भी पेट्रोल तो लगेगा ना, इसलिए, right? Yeah, so 3,200. So if we cross multiply, 3,200 13 divided by 8. Okay, this is 5,200 actually. Just a minute. 3,200 yeah, 5,200 petrol. ठीक है. Next, depreciation on lorry. So what I have been telling you, depreciation, when depreciation percentage or amount is not given. So what is the formula for calculating depreciation? Yeah, this is the formula. Cost minus scrap divided by life in kilometers. Okay, and simultaneously start giving your attendance also, dear. Simultaneously start giving your attendance in the chat box. Yeah, last 5 minutes are there. Sorry, 4,50,000 minus 50,000 scrap divided by 80,000. Okay. Four lakh 50. It's 5 rupees per kilometer. Okay, convert it. 1 kilometer ka 5 rupees. So for 3,200 running kilometers, how much? I told you, na, आपका variable cost will be calculated on running kilometers. So my answer is 16,000. You can check 3,200 into 5 divided by 1. Then come to calculation of tires. So we still have last 2 minutes. Fine. Calculation of tires. Same formula, cost minus scrap divided by life in years. Six to 50 is the cost. Scrap value is not given, so obviously I get 0 divided by 25,000 kilometers. So the answer is coming 0.25 paisa, 25 paisa. So next lecture, we'll see the final. I'll just tell you the final answer. Okay.